This is a photograph of my father playing his part as a Naga chief in a play in Sibsagar. The scene depicts a treaty with the officials of the East India Company. These pictures date back to the 1970s, and this little sling bag was one of my father's prized possessions because it was a gift from his friend Mr. Tiger Konyak of Mon, Nagaland.
খুব ভাল বন্ধু আছিলে আৰু যেতিয়া আমাৰ ঘৰলৈ আহিছিলে গেটৰ পৰাই মানে খুব নাচি বাগি অসমীয়া বিহু গীত গাই গাই আমাৰ ঘৰৰ ভিতৰলৈ সোমাই আহে আৰু লগত তেওঁ ঘৰৰ পৰা তেখেতৰ ৱাইফে দি পঠোৱা ঘৰুৱা মানে তিয়হৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি কিছুমান বস্তু আমালৈ তেওঁলোকৰ লৈ আহে.
And it was from their stories about friendship and their hunting adventures that I came to know about the Nagas, specifically the Konyaks of Mon. The more I read about them, the more intrigued I became about their rich culture and the mystique surrounding the traditional practices of tattooing and headhunting as a way of life. My first trip to the land of the Konyaks was in 2015. That trip left me wanting to know more. Another visit was long due, so I called up a friend and we agreed to ride to Longwa on our motorcycles the very next day. Longwa is situated along the Indo-Myanmar border in the Mon district of Nagaland. There are basically two routes to Longwa. One is via Sonari and we enter Nagaland via Tijit, and secondly there's another route via Naginimora. And so here we are, we have hit the Assam Nagaland highway. We are going via Sonari. Though it was only a 4.5 hour trip, we started early at 6 a.m. Our plan was very simple: scram through the streets of Assam before the crazy chaotic traffic scenes come into play. In my opinion, the hills are a much safer place to ride. Look at this. Tea gardens on both sides. Wonderful. In the morning, initially I thought it might rain, but thankfully sun has come up and it's a good weather for a ride in the hills. As far as I can remember, last time I went to Longwa, it was cooler than the plains since it is at an altitude. I can't remember exactly what was the altitude. Our planter is showing me the mountains. There they are, visible from here. We are still in Sonari and we have taken a diversion towards the Nagaland border. We reached a place called Tijit, which is the entry to the Mon district in Nagaland. And this is where we got our ILP made. ILPs can be made online too. Longwa jabo ILP code banabo. Documents ki lagibo? Documents ki lagibo? Huh? Aadhaar. Okay, the pass is done. They charge us 100 rupees for entry into Nagaland. It's time to move. Welcome to Mon district, land of Angh. Angh is the king, actually, king of the Konyaks. Land of the Anghs.
Whew. Bad roads.
From Tejit to Mon was one heck of a ride. It had rained the previous night. Hence, the national highway was reduced to a slush-filled off-road, and we didn't mind that at all. Our bikes skid and slipped, but we chugged on like little kids splashing through mud puddles.
This is such a contrast to the rides in Arunachal that I have done. Arunachal is like vast open grounds, open valleys. Here it is not like that. This is like an evergreen forest, thick and green. Very slippery. This is the clay kind of soil, so very slippery. But this is where this kind of bikes excel. The Expulse 200, the Himalayans, no issues at all. Oh, insane turns. So nice. See this thatched roof house, beautiful. I really like such houses, very eco-friendly, and it's about making optimum utilization of resources. You know what, I'm really having a blast riding on this route. I really want to have a go at the insane lean angle. Such is the curves. Maybe I'll do it while coming back. I don't want to fall right now. I haven't done extreme lean angles for a very long time. Bamboo shoot. Hotel লৈ যাব লাগিব. ব'লা. They're selling bamboo shoot there, and there's no one inside. I think you just have to take and leave the money there. I've fallen in love with this route. This is so freakingly beautiful. Do you hear that? There is that constant buzz of insects. Oh, I think this is a landslide prone area. Look at this, yeah, landslide prone area. My shoes are covered in slush. We are gradually descending into Mon town. The ride so far has been epic. There, welcome to Mon. Okay, to the right we have to the left we have to go to Longwa, but I think we'll have to have some food first. Okay, this is Mon town. Now to find something to eat. Where can we find something to eat? Green Valley Hotel. কি পাব খাবলে? হ্যাঁ কি পাব? আৰু ওকে, ভাতৰ লগত কি আছে? মাংস কি আছে? গাহৰি আছে? Oh, বঢ়িয়া.
Pork is a must-have in any part of Nagaland. In my opinion, the Nagas make the best pork in Northeast.
Okay. We had a lunch and now we are on the way to Longwa.
The dapple light filtering through the trees gave my GoPro a run for its money. The contrast was just too much for the little camera to handle. The only unnatural sound were our motorcycle engines and the blazing horns.
Oh, we are climbing.
The ride from Mon to Longwa was like no other ride that I have previously done. Single lane with sudden, very steep gradients and extreme curves. Almost every turn was like a blind turn.
Longwa. Finally at the Indo-Myanmar border. Bola. এইটো লংচা ব'লা চাই লওঁ Check this out. This is their traditional kitchen and there are the rooms. The traditional kitchen and the dining area is just awesome. It's a must-see.
We opted to stay at Longsa's homestay and we were greeted with steaming black tea. And since the day was far from over, we decided to do some sightseeing. Our first point of interest was this famous viewpoint, a pillar which marks the boundary between India and Myanmar. And it was on a hilltop, which meant we had to climb.
এইটো ৰাস্তা Hello. Hello. क्या नाम है आपका की नाम আছে यार लैंग्वेज बैरियर এটা আছে পাৰিবা হা
Huffing and puffing, we managed to climb to the top, and we were pleasantly surprised. The location provided a bird's eye view of Longwa and the Angh's house. There on top, we met two beautiful ladies who guided us to another adjacent viewpoint.
What are your names?
My name is Angh.
Huh?
My name is Angh.
Angap.
Yes.
ANGAP.
Yes.
And yours?
Jumai.
JUMAI. Okay. What is that? Khamoy.
Khanmoy, yeah.
Khanmoy. What does that mean?
Village name, I don't know.
Oh, that's a village name.
Village name.
Village from Myanmar.
Yeah.
And that's a church or what? The red one?
Yeah, church.
Okay.
Since we still had some time to dusk, we decided to visit the Angh's house.
Here we go. Oh, come on. Yeah.
The Konyaks follow a unique system of governance led by a hereditary chief called Angh. He holds significant powers and influence within the tribe, overseeing the administration of the village and maintaining law and order. There is no police in here in Longwa.
কিমান এরিয়া লেকে আপনার কন্ট্রোল থাকে
তো 30+ তো মোলগা ছোট বস্তি হি মোলা পাবলিক হি আছে তিনি হিসাব করিলে সোনারি নিখনা না
ইয়াৰ পৰা সোনাইলে যিমান দূৰ
মানে যাতে প্ৰায় বাইঠেন প্ৰায় তো 2 দিন 3 দিন
200 কিলোমিটাৰ ওচৰা-ওচৰি হৈ যাব 200
লাগিব
That's the Angh's house. What an ambience.
The Angh's house stands right on the international boundary between India and Myanmar.
One side is India, Nagaland, India, and this side is Myanmar.
His house is like a museum, showcasing the tribe's unique culture and heritage. The weather here is very dynamic. One moment it can be sunny and the very next moment it can be covered by fog. In the evening at Longsa's homestay, we met Longsa and his family who made us feel at home. We bonded over black tea and boiled corn. Nokao, Longsa's brother, gave us a tour of the traditional house.
Yeah, my name is Nokao. Nokao Wang Nao. We call it Wang Nao. I'm from Wang Nao tribe, Wang Nao clan, and I'm very much from Longwa. We are Konyak. So this is a gong. We call it nyam. This is very important for our culture. Means like if someone died, we play this one. And if like in festival time, like Holbin festival, we have a mini Holbin festival. We call it like Auleng festival. It happens in 1 to 6 of April every year. So this time, and you know, if someone died, we play this gong. And then you know, even now, we accept like those who have like a lot of gongs. They are like rich, so we give this gong. And then this is like a basket. We store here like the gunpowder, bullet, and the cap for this one. This is
musket.
yeah. This is mainly used for like hunting. You know, hunting is part of our culture. We do hunting and also like for war, and also in the festival time we use. And also like if someone died, we just like shoot like stronger. If we shoot stronger, then people will just recognize, oh, someone died. I mean, like we normally
Inform people.
yeah, inform people like, you know, we just shoot, but we have to shoot stronger. For like animals and all, like we shoot, you know, accordingly. Bird different, animal different.
Oh, I
Yeah.
mean, it depends on the amount of gunpowder.
Yes, yes. But if we shoot like stronger, then people will just recognize, oh, this is that.
Someone has.
Yeah, someone died or something.
And this is, I have seen this before. It's like a hair cap, no?
Yeah, it's a cap for like a man, and this is bear skin.
Bear skin.
Yeah, oh, deer. This is deer skin. Yeah, and then you know, people are just making a duplicate. Whatever the carving plays very important roles also, because like, you know, whatever we hunt, like chopping the head or, you know, killing like animals, we just duplicate them and then decorate the house. So this is a headhunter, the warrior. We are just duplicating the warrior's head. Yeah.
This is also.
Yeah, same one, yeah. And this is machete, dao, we call it dao, Naga dao, stronger one. And this stick is to play the gong. This is like, you know, can play. And then here is family picture. We have like defense minister also came, like that one. See, when she was, yeah, she came here. And then,
A lot of very famous people here.
yeah, you know, he is the chief minister of Nagaland.
Mr. Rio.
Yeah, and all the Anghs, neighboring Anghs and our Longwa Anghs, kings, yeah. Yeah. This is like jewelry and the heads, everything. Like my mom's made this one.
Okay, this is for your mom.
Yeah, my mom made this one. This is headgear, this is necklace, and this is for warrior. Like if you chop one head, then you will be rewarded one of this.
Okay, this is made of brass.
Yeah, this is a brass.
Konyaks are, good brass craftsmen, no?
We are very good in handicrafting. Like we have like a lot of wood carver and a lot of blacksmith, gun maker, local gun maker, no? Like we are very good in, you know, carving, no? Because it's part of our culture, no? So we have to learn, no? As soon the boy child born, our parents used to reward, you know, give the one, like one gun. So that's how my brother have, I have, my dad have. So we have like 3-4 gun here also, local gun. And gunpowder we make here. And bullet can be anything, piece of stone or piece of metal, you know? So it's really easy to use also. And it's very strong also.
Okay, interesting.
Mm.
And this is different.
The wooden one.
Yeah, wooden one.
This is, the meaning are same, but like this is wooden and this is brass.
Okay, okay. Okay, this is for seeds.
Yeah, for next year.
Okay.
But you can keep it for like 5-6 years also, because we are hitting the smoke, no?
Ah,
So it lasts longer.
okay, the smoke will
Yeah,
keep it longer.
chicken like I just made like I fried, but like I put like, you know, ginger, garlic, and that traditional Naga spices. Naga spices.
Great.
So it will
Wonderful.
taste definitely different. I don't know
Yeah.
how it tastes.
It's smelling really nice.
Yeah, fry, but like just.
What kind of Naga spices that do you put?
We call it like michinga guti. Which
Oh,
is like
okay, machinga guti.
Yeah,
Okay.
no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's it. It's like a medicine, no? It's like if you are having like fever, coughing, sneezing, you know, it cures for sure. So it's very good.
You prefer this, the traditional kitchen?
Yeah, this is traditional kitchen.
Okay.
And we make the wooden only. That's a firewood.
Hmm.
We store everything. See, like we have like smoked pork, chicken. We
Okay.
keep it in the smoke like this.
Okay, wonderful.
So it tastes better, far better than that one, no? The roll.
Okay.
We just bring it and then we clean it nicely and then we boil it. And then, you know, we just smoke.
How long do you smoke this?
Like we keep smoke for long time also.
Okay.
Like for 2-3 weeks also.
Okay.
And then we can store it in here. this is storage kind of thing.
Okay.
And then we will store it here, and then we'll put it more here. And then it's like, you know, it will last very long.
Okay.
And also here, we store it here. This is storage.
These are all storage.
Yeah, storage, yeah.
What do you store here?
We store different kind of things, like, you know, the meat and the
Okay.
spices,
Okay.
like chili and everything here.
This
So
is
it's
all
very
firewood.
important roles now here.
Yeah.
We can keep the basket, firewood, everything here.
No.
Everything here.
Okay. Very interesting.
Yeah.
This is very nice. Okay.
For dinner, we decided to try out the traditional platter. Simple, organic, and very tasty. The best part is everybody eats together here, something that is becoming a rarity in our urban lives. 4:37. In the morning, we woke up to a beautiful sunrise. The previous night, I was wondering why the traditional houses had no windows. Looking around, I got my answer. It was because of the wind. It was windy and chilly. Thus, the need for a fireplace and a fire all day long. We started our day with a ride to Elwasa village situated along the Indo-Myanmar border. Our objective was to experience the lifestyle of the people there and also to meet the last of the tattooed headhunter of Elwasa.
Fell down. একো নাই. It's okay. Got it. Got it. No problem. Huh? No, boy. It is sleep. No, it's okay. We can climb. Okay, wait. Okay, got it. Woohoo! One, two, three, come on. Okay. No, it's okay. Can you hold the bag? Just hold this bag. I'll climb. My thing is, I made the seat too tall. Now I can't reach. Oh, my brake has gone inside. My brake lever has gone inside. Okay, should do. Woohoo! I think we have reached the village. Wow, what a ride that was. I fell twice. Both times my feet couldn't reach the ground. Actually my seat that I have built, it is too tall now. Okay, yes, come on. I can do this.
As the saying goes, what doesn't kill you just makes you stronger. So we pressed on and we reached Alwasa village without any further hiccups.
Okay, we have reached. Nice.
Different size have different chop.
Okay.
So this is for chopping meat, different meat, like chicken,
Okay.
pickle,
Okay.
like everything. So this is the main thing for us.
Okay.
We chop here, and this is very good wood.
This is good wood, no?
Yeah, yeah.
How? I mean, this is, I think, going to last you forever, like.
Like a long time.
Okay.
Long time.
There we met Mr. Gamang, the water chairman of Alwasa. We were offered tea.
Thank you.
We are providing the tea. So
Thank you so much.
So we say like lingha means.
Lingha. Cheers. Okay. Lingha. 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 Okay. Cheers.
Tea drinking is a social ritual and is an integral part of the Konyak tribe's daily routine. Sharing tea with family, friends, or visitors is a common practice here, fostering a sense of community and hospitality.
So I often come here
Okay.
because it's like good experience to have the food,
Okay.
in the borders line. It's more like Burma things,
Yeah, yeah,
houses
yeah.
because it's we don't have, they don't have proper or So I suggest like people come and see this place and meet the
Okay.
headhunter.
Okay.
Want to headhunter.
The headhunter stays here.
Yeah. Like
In this house?
Yeah, that was not this house, but
Okay.
like we will go down a little bit.
Okay.
It will be around 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
Then there's a Tatos man. You can meet with them also.
Okay.
And then it's little different things to have food here and see different view from Longwa.
Okay.
So it's more like Burma.
Okay. So here they are also Christians here.
Yeah, everyone.
Everyone is Christian.
everyone
Okay.
Christian.
Culturally, you are similar to the Waka village and Konsa village, no? Culturally, this.
Yeah, Tirap area, the Arunachal.
Yeah,
Arunachal.
yeah.
So we mainly from Wanchu tribe. We are very much similar with Wanchu tribe.
Wanchu tribe,
Yeah, so they are Wanchu tribe. So for sure, very much similar.
Okay.
Looks similar. It is
Okay.
same.
And what is their main source of income here?
Everybody have their own farm.
Okay.
So we have different leaves like curry, like rice. So everything we grow in the farm. So we depend on the farm. Yes, we are farmers.
Yeah. Excellent view. You can't ask for anything more. Hello, Messi, Argentina. Argentina, Argentina supporter. School campus.
We climbed downhill to meet Mr. Wangok, the last of the tattooed headhunters of Alwasa.
Bye bye, ha? Kelanda hijwa. Come on.
And there he was, 80 years old and still very active. He couldn't speak our language and I couldn't speak theirs. We got to watch him make tea for himself in the traditional way. He still bears the facial tattoos that tell stories of his past, a testament to his courage and valor. Each line and curve symbolizing a chapter of Konyak history, making him and elders like him a living archive of their culture and tradition. And no, I did not ask him what he did and how he did or how he felt about it and all. Personally, I feel such questions border on being insensitive. I was simply grateful to him for his time and patience as I took my time to take pictures. As we bid farewell, another stressful thought crossed my mind.
Climbing up is the difficult part. And look at this. Such a beautiful place.
And we were in full riding gears, which also weighs a ton.
Charahotu swa kiman ase aru. Ami ekhini uthibo lagibo dia. Hi. Bola. Dangor ase na?
Dangor.
Oh.
Koitu heri hoy.
Etu kun jasi re?
Etu কি কয় আপোনালোকৰ ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজত কি কয়
Bamboo laga.
বাম্বু লগা এইটো
Bani bi type
জঙ্গল ৰেট হ'ব এইটো জঙ্গল ৰেট
Etu khaboge.
Khabo.
Nice.
After reaching the top, we said our goodbyes to Mr. Gamwang and his family as he had to go to attend church. It was a Sunday.
Okay, bye. Thank you. Bye.
We ensured that riding back was a piece of cake.
Everybody is neatly dressed for church day.
After reaching Longwa, we made our way to the 0 point along the Indo-Myanmar border.
Oh, this is the Indo-Myanmar border. Very nice.
After having a heart's fill, we rode back to Longsa's homestay, where we had a wonderful organic meal for lunch. They say that the Konyaks do not have much of a written history, but I would argue that the Konyaks are great storytellers. Their lifestyle is depicted in great detail in their elaborate wood carvings, which again is a testament to their excellent wood carving skills.
This sculpture is a bit spooky. It seems as if it's looking at you. See those eyes? It'll follow you everywhere you go.
I observed that we did not come across even one grumpy face in Longwa. Everyone we met was so helpful, generous and welcoming. People of Longwa prove that you don't need a lot to be happy.
Goal! Yay! Yay! Okay, bye. Thank you. Okay. So we are finally leaving for Sibsagar. It is 12:45. It should take us around 4.5 hours. We should be there in Sibsagar before 6.
As we rode back, I couldn't help but wonder what an intoxicating mix this trip has turned out to be. In a good way, of course. Challenging roads and off-roads, exposure to rich culture and tradition, simple and humble people, and lastly, but not the least, great food. We had one little problem during our return journey. All the slush that we encountered while coming up have dried up and now been converted to dust.
Ôi দেখি পোৱা নাছিলে নি বহুত দিন দেখি পোৱা নাছিলে নি এৰিব পাৰি নহয় ন হা